Hey guys, another day, another issue that I'm dealing with. So, my passenger side had a clunk for a while. I, excuse me, I had replaced pretty much all the components for the front suspension, like upper and lower control arm, thrust arm, tie rod end, springs, everything. Uh, but I still had the clunk. So I figured the last thing I could tackle is this. This is the, some people call it a strut cap, or top hat, perhaps. And this is basically the top part of the strut. This is very different than the standard X5. X5 has the different variants have two small bump stops. I don't know if they're called bump stops, but they kind of go one goes in here, and there's another one that goes up top before the actual nut for the strut. But this is how it is for the X5M. It's just one piece. This has a bearing inside. I don't know if it's a bearing or not, but this is how it looks. So my plan is to actually replace this. It's not too difficult, I would say. I have removed some of the plastic coverings up top over here. Now I have the strut tower exposed. This is mostly just 3 bolts in here. Then I have to pull the strut out, and then with the help of a spring compressor, I'm going to remove the top hat. But I had one of the I had an incident that happened when I was actually replacing the springs the last time. I cracked the strut right up top here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's cracked over here. So the star key does not fit in this, where it kind of slips. And then once I get to a point where the strut starts spinning, I have no way to sort of stop it. I did find a workaround for it. I put some painter's tape on the strut itself, and then I hold it down with vice grips. That kind of helps me get some grip, and I remove it. And I will also be making another video talking about the catch can stuff, because I feel some of the check valves in my CCV system are still bad. So what I ended up doing is I found some really good quality check valves. I have 2 that are in. I am waiting on 2 more. Once I have those, I'll be replacing these check valves with aftermarket ones, because the ones that come from factory, in my perspective, they're crap. So yeah, I'll be doing an upgrade to the CCV system plus the catch cans. Yeah, so so once I get to it, once I open stuff up, I will try to make a video on that too. Thank you.